Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a delicious Andhra-style Palakura Ulli Karam recipe, a flavorful spinach curry that pairs perfectly with hot rice and a drizzle of ghee. It has become a staple curry in our household, and I hope it becomes a favorite in yours too. Let's get into the recipe. First, let's make a paste. Add 1 medium onion chopped, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder, enough salt, and a blueberry-sized piece of tamarind. Grind everything into a smooth paste without adding any water. Set this paste aside. Next, crush 4 garlic and keep them ready. Heat 3 tablespoons of sesame oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, split black gram which is ulunthu, Bengal gram, kadalai paruppu, cumin seeds and dry red chilies. Let them splutter and turn slightly golden brown. Now add a few fresh curry leaves and a pinch of asafoetida and the crushed garlic. Saute until the garlic turns slightly brown. Add the ground paste and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and continue cooking for a few more minutes. Cover with the lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until the raw smell of onion and tamarind disappears. Now add 4 cups of tightly packed chopped spinach. Mix everything well. At first it may look like a lot of spinach, but it will shrink as it cooks. Add salt if needed and ½ teaspoon of jaggery powder. This is optional, but it helps balance the tamarind and adds a nice taste. Cover again and cook for about 5 minutes. The spinach is now fully cooked, but continue cooking until all the excess water evaporates. Meanwhile, you can add a teaspoon of ghee for extra flavor. This step is completely optional. Andhra-style Palakura Ulli Karam is ready. Switch off the stove and serve hot with rice and a generous drizzle of ghee on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and travel vlogs. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one.